Hi people, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'll show you how to empty trash on your Android phone and free up valuable storage space quickly and safely. Go to the File Manager menu. This app may be called Files, My Files, or File Manager, depending on your phone brand, such as Samsung, Xiaomi, or others. It's the place where all your saved documents, images, videos, and downloads are organized. Now look for the trash or recycle bin option. Open the trash folder to view all deleted items that are temporarily stored there. These files still take up storage space until they are permanently removed. Next, select the files you want to delete permanently. After selecting, tap Delete Permanently or Empty Trash. Your trash is now cleared and you've successfully freed up storage space on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides.